Imagine every maths question as a puzzle, and each trick you know as a secret tool. In this module, you're a pattern hunter. Your job isn't just to get the answer, it's to spot the clue that tells you which trick to use. Before you rush into calculating, pause for a 3-second scan. Ask yourself, do any numbers look friendly or familiar? Maybe they end in 5, form a neat pair, or sit close to 10 or 100. Your mission is to spot a shortcut first, then do the maths. Here's a fast pattern for squaring numbers that end in 5. Take the digits before the 5 and multiply them by 1 more than themselves. 435 squared, that's 3 times 4, which equals 12. Then simply stick 25 on the end. So 35 squared becomes 1225. This shortcut works for any number ending in 5. Some numbers camp right next to 10, 100, or 1000. When both numbers sit just below or just above one of these bases, we use a shortcut called the base method. For example, with 98 and 102, both are close to 100, so they're perfect partners for a base 100 trick. Now for the magic 11 trick. When you multiply any two-digit number by 11, imagine it's two digits with a gap in the middle. Add the digits and drop their sum into the gap. 423 times 11. Split it as 2 and 3. Add them to get 5. Then sandwich the 5 in the middle. 253. Friendly pairs are numbers that work beautifully together. They either complete a tidy total, like making 10 or 100, or they create easy multiples, like 25 and 4 making 100. When you spot friendly pairs in a problem, group them first to make the whole calculation simpler. For each question, pause and think. Which shortcut would crack this fastest? Don't calculate yet. Just play detective and match every problem to its best mental math trick. Sometimes numbers are almost friendly. When that happens, don't attack them directly. Round to something easy, then adjust. 498 plus 97? Think 500 plus 95. 1000 minus 497? Ask, what adds to 497 to make 1000? 699 plus 301? Treat it as 700 plus 300, then fix the extra one. When a question mixes multiplication with addition or subtraction, tackle the hard part first. Use your mental trick on the multiplication, then calmly finish the easier operation. Think of it as 2 mini tasks: trick part, then tidy up part. As questions get longer, this simple order makes you both faster and more accurate. In mental maths, the real superpower isn't just getting the answer, it's explaining why your trick fits the problem. Say it clearly: I use the ending in 5 trick because the number ends in 5, or I use the base 1000 trick because both numbers are near 1000. When you can explain your choice, you truly own the skill. Estimation is your first safety net. After solving, pause and ask, does this answer make sense? 447 times 21. You might round to 50 times 20 and get about 1000. Now compare. If your exact answer is around 900, that's fine. If you somehow get 9000, you know to stop and recheck. Estimation catches big errors quickly. A second safety net is to reverse the operation. If you do a subtraction, check it with addition. Say you think 723 minus 458 equals 265. Now add back 265 plus 458. If you land exactly on 723, your answer is correct. If not, something's off. Fix it before moving on. You also got a quick error check called digit sums, or casting out nines. Add the digits of each number until you get a single digit. Do that for the numbers in the question and for your final answer. If the two single digits match, your answer is likely correct. If they don't, you definitely need to recheck your calculation. Every time you see a new question, run this simple protocol in your head. First, scan for patterns. Is it near 10 or 100, full tens, fives, 11s, easy halves or quarters? Next, choose the fastest trick that fits. Then solve completely in your head. Finally, check using estimation, the reverse operation, or a quick digit sum test. Repeat this until the process feels automatic. By now, your mission for this course is complete. You've learned to think flexibly, use friendly numbers, and choose fast mental strategies. Keep training, tackle games, puzzles, and time challenges. Stay curious, stay calm under pressure, and keep hunting for patterns everywhere.